Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. Through many dangers, toils, and snares, I have already come. 'Tis grace hath brought me safe thus far, and grace will lead me home. The Lord hath promised good to me, His word my hope secures. He will my shield and portion be, as long as life endures. Yes, when this flesh and heart shall fail, and mortal life shall cease, I shall possess within the veil a life of joy and peace. The earth shall soon dissolve like snow, the sun forbear to shine, but God who called me here below shall be forever mine. In evil long I took delight, unawed by shame nor fear, till a new object met my sight and stopped my wild career. I saw one hanging on a tree in agony, and his blood, who fixed his languid eyes on me, as near his cross I stood. Sure never till my latest breath can I forget that look. It seemed to charge me with his death, though not a word he spoke. My conscience owned and felt will, and plunged me in despair. I saw my sins his blood had shed, and helped to nail him there. Alas, I knew not what I did, but all my tears were vain. Where could my trembling soul be hid? Where could I hide my pain? Because he died upon the cross, he paid the price for me. He brought my soul for his glory, and now he set me free. When we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun, we've no less days to sing God's praise than when